Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send automated daily messages to your team on Google Chat Hangout space like this. You do not have to write these messages manually. Every day the workflow is scheduled to run on a particular time. Every day this workflow is going to generate new messages and it will be shared with your team on Google Chat Hangout space. If you also want to learn how you can create such amazing automation for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an automation which will send daily reminders or motivation or details of what has to be done by the team to Google Chat Hangout space without lifting you any finger. And we are going to create this using Pabbly Connect. Now this is the landing page of Pabbly. You can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks. You can use those tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in and I will be landed towards the All Pabbly apps page where I have to select this Pabbly Connect Access now. I will be landed towards the app dashboard where I will be able to find the workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. I'll create a new workflow. And I'll name this workflow as automatically send daily messages to Google Chat. And now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Now the objective of our workflow is to trigger this workflow every day, which means every day a message should be sent on whatever time, which is mainly morning. So we have to trigger this workflow in the morning every day, and that's why we are going to select this trigger application as scheduler. So scheduler is a feature by Pabbly using which we can schedule this workflow to run every day at a fixed period of time. So I'm going to click on this add trigger and then I'm going to select my trigger application as scheduled by Pabbly. In the trigger event, I'm going to select schedule workflow and then click on connect. So how often do you want to run this workflow? I'm going to select every day and then it is asking me time. So I'm going to select the time as 10:30 a.m. So I want this workflow to send a message to my employees or to my team on 10:30 a.m. every day. So I'm going to save this. Now every day on 10:30 a.m. this workflow is going to trigger or it is going to get started. So the workflow is set to run 10:30 a.m. every day. Now as I have scheduled this workflow, I have to generate some messages also, and to generate the messages I'm going to use AI. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application I'm going to search for OpenAI. In the action event, I'm going to select ChatGPT and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make the connection, you have to enter the token. In the help desk, a hyperlink is given. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards the Open API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all. And then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. I already have my API token generated, so I'm going to copy and paste that API token over here and then save this. You will see OpenAI will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. Now in this drop down, you can see all the AI models which I have. I'm going to select it as GPT-5 mini. So you can select this according to the requirement again, and then we have to enter the prompt. Now I have to explain to this AI agent that this is the workflow and I want to send messages to my employees every day. So you have to generate messages every day. So in that prompt, I will be writing all the details which I require, and it is going to generate or give me the reply which I'm going to post to my Google Chat Hangout. I'm going to enter the prompt like, So here I have entered the prompt. You generate a fresh daily motivation message for a marketing team on Google Chat Hangout. This workflow runs automatically every day, so create a new and different message on each time. Do not repeat the same code, wording, idea or structure from the previous message. Start with this with the suitable emojis, then add 1-2 short lines that motivate the team, and then you can add the emojis. The message should be short, about around 3-4 lines, and suitable for professional company team. Every day the message feel fresh, meaningful and different. Avoid generic and repetitive message and give me the final response only. I have written this because I want to send this to my team. You can add anything else according to the requirement, like if you want to send the daily tasks report, or if you want to send anything which the team has to work on a particular day, so you can add that to your prompt, and based on that you can explain this AI in the prompt itself that you have to send this type of message every day. So I have entered these details. I'll hit save and send test request and wait for the response. Here I have received the response. So in this message content, I have my response. Good morning team. Momentum is built by consistent tiny choices. Today focus on highest impact task and run smart experiment. Every action counts. Support each other, celebrate small wins and keep pushing forward. So I have received a very nice message which I can post to my space. So I will be posting it. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for Google Chat Hangout. In the action event, I'm going to select create message and then click on connect. I have to enter the chat webhook URL. To enter this chat webhook URL, I'm going to open the space, go towards the arrow, and then go towards the apps and integration where I'm going to add the webhook. In the webhook, I'm going to name it as test, and then I have to enter the avatar URL. In the help desk, a hyperlink is given. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards the forum page of Pabbly, and over here, this avatar URL is provided, which I'm going to copy and paste it over here, and then I'm going to click on the save. A new webhook URL is provided to me, which I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Now I'm going to enter the message. Now I'm not going to manually enter the message. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter slash, go towards this response, and then I'm going to enter this message content, this one. Now you see I have mapped the detail instead of manually entering it, because mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering the details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response, and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my space and check whether I have sent the message or not, and just now you can see that I have sent this message. Good morning team. Momentum is built by consistent tiny choices. I have sent this message to my space, to my team. So this is how we have created this workflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation, and before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.